Software is eating the world, but now software is eating itself. We're witnessing the third restructuring of software form. Software 1 was instructions determining behavior. Software 2 was data and weights determining behavior. Now software 3 is underway, context and reasoning determine behavior. A breakthrough thesis argues that the traditional three-tier architecture is collapsing. UI, business logic, and data are converging into just three elements: a generalized database, a large model, and an agent. Let's break down the mechanism. The UI layer dissolves into on-demand generation, but critical info stays as deterministic projections. Business logic splits along two axes: expressibility and criticality. Non-critical, expressible rules get absorbed by the model's reasoning. Critical, declarative rules sink into storage constraints. And critical, complex logic survives as deterministic tools. The data layer rises from a passive appendage to the sole persistent infrastructure. The agent becomes the execution loop, connecting the stateless model to the stateful database. Crucially, the storage layer acts as an arbiter. Experiments show that even when a model hallucinates schedules, the database constraints reject violations, ensuring feasibility. The model doesn't need to be reliable, the storage layer is. But this thesis has hard boundaries. It fails where determinism is non-negotiable, like funds settlement. It fails for high-frequency, low-latency systems, where inference latency is too high. And it faces the attribution problem in regulated domains. So what's the new form? State intelligence and execution. Developers shift from writing code to defining constraints. Databases become active infrastructure. Software form is no longer fixed, it's a variable. The convergence is storage, model, and agent.